Honey and garlic, a powerful natural remedy. A combination of garlic and honey is one of the classic herbal remedies that has been used for many years to cure colds and coughs, as well as to lose weight. Both have immune-boosting properties and natural compounds that have scientifically been proven to have positive effects on the body. Garlic and honey. Garlic contains allicin, an organosulfur compound that helps boost immunity levels. Many preclinical studies suggest that organosulfur compounds from garlic could potentially have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and cardioprotective activities. Honey too contains bio-compounds that have antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. When combined, garlic and honey are considered a powerful home remedy to boost the immune system and improve overall health. While crushing garlic with honey is the fastest way of having it, fermented garlic honey is known to have tremendous health benefits. Garlic and honey benefits. Let us look at the most important benefits of garlic and honey. Alternative natural antimicrobial drug. A 2013 research report revealed that garlic in combination with tasma honey had potent antimicrobial properties. Researchers found that the garlic-honey blend was effective against Salmonella, Staphylococcus aureus, Listeria monocytogenes, and Streptococcus pneumonia. The herbal tonic helped inhibit the growth of these bacteria that cause pathogenic bacterial infections. Another research study confirmed these results and also found that when the two are used together, they seem to prolong or improve the shelf life of each other. May reduce risk of heart attack. Garlic, in different forms such as fresh, powdered, and aged, has long been associated as a powerful natural food that can help maintain heart health. Research in both animal and human studies show that garlic can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, while also preventing blood clots. Similarly, honey is rich in phenolic compounds, which act as natural antioxidants and help improve cardiovascular health. Natural cold and flu relief remedy. Manuka honey has powerful antiviral properties, according to research. Allicin, the main ingredient in garlic, helps improve the disease-fighting response in white blood cells in the body, especially when they encounter viruses that cause the common cold and flu. Fermented garlic or aged garlic, in particular, helps reduce the severity of the symptoms of colds and flu. Other health benefits include: may boost weight loss, may protect brain health. However, there are not enough studies to verify these claims. Fermented garlic and honey has also been touted as a natural cure for erectile dysfunction. But only an animal model has shown a potential positive association. Side effects. Generally, garlic and honey is had in small amounts as a herbal remedy and may not cause harmful side effects. You may experience having bad breath or perhaps, body odor. In excess, raw garlic can cause heartburn or an upset stomach. Both garlic and honey can cause allergic reactions in certain individuals. People with a pollen allergy need to be careful while consuming honey as it can cause wheezing, coughing, and skin reactions, among other symptoms. Also, honey does contain natural sugar and needs to be had in moderation. Garlic can also interact with certain drugs such as anticoagulants like warfarin. It may also decrease the efficacy of sequinavir, a drug used to treat HIV infection.